Hello folks, this is your old pal Uncle Al, and this is Texas fail number 2. Now we did number 1, which was lack of external heat source. Number 2 is easy because a lot of the videos and video blogs about the Texas storm. Part 1, everybody complained they did not have food. Okay, you should all have a food bag. I showed in my older videos how to make a food bag. Only one who followed it was, let's see, Irish Colleen. And she made a wonderful bug out bag with foods ready to eat. The easiest one that I tell people is rye crisp. Get some peanut butter and some meat spread and some canned cheeses, and you have a ready-to-eat meal. I've seen people eat junk food. I've seen people eat trick snacks. I've seen people going, just stripping 7-Eleven and all the gas stations around Dallas and Fort Worth, Houston, and San Antonio. Those are millennials, and those are alpha omegas, next generation. Okay, they had no idea of setting up a nice food bag. You should all have a 3-day food bag. Reality check, ready to eat. Don't have to cook it, open it, and eat it. It's nice to have a hot meal. Uncle Alan has an immersion heater, basically a pot with boiling water. You dip it in, and it heats up in 15 minutes. Or I have a heater bag. I have the big foreign heater bags. Will fit one of these, and it'll be hot in 3 minutes. A lot of you don't understand, and you think you only could get this. No, you get other things. I prefer beef, but there's a lot of chicken out there. Okay, and I also got chicken and dumplings, you name it. Ready to eat. You can heat it, not a problem. Okay, immersion, heater bags, you name it. All you have to do is heat it up in hot water. 2, a lot of people don't have a thermos. Once you boil the water, put it in a thermos. So if you want to make coffee, or if you want to make tea or cocoa, you have a thermos of hot water. I might have to make another video on this because a lot of people, how are we going to store hot water, Uncle Al? And I'm looking at them. These are people earned their 20s and 30s, making more money than Uncle Alan ever did in his lifetime. And I'm looking at him like, son, what the hell's wrong with you? Okay, reality check, folks. You better have a thermos, and you better have means of either cooking or reheating foods. Uncle Alan could do it. I have a butane stove. Out of 400 videos I watched, only one video had a person with a butane stove and another person with a camp stove. But the butane stove was a girl in an apartment, and roommates were like running around acting stupid as hell. She took out of her suitcase a butane stove because she was an exchange student from Japan. Put it down, put in the butane cartridge, start boiling water. By that time, they stopped doing running around looking like this on stupid on TikTok, and they're looking at her in amazement. You have a stove. And she looked at them like, yes, you stupid Texan idiots. I have a stove. Little thing, tabletop, and she began to fix dinner normally, and they're all like amazed, like they have some kind of brain damage. So make sure you have a external cooking system outside of your apartment. This was a lot of apartment dwellers, and only one had a butane stove. Another one was a family, but they were more into outdoors and camping, and they had a Coleman, a good propane with a 5-gallon tank, and they had a oven on it. Now I'm going to try to keep these short because I'm trying not to have another 2-hour nosebleed. So I'll catch you later. This is Texas Fail number 2. And please check out David Lynn's channel, the only man, your prepper principal, who knows what he's doing in Texas. On the, whatchamacallit, the non-bushcraft side. Okay? So you go check out David. And I'll catch you later.